Hello everyone, my name is Pragya Pratiti Shana. I am interning at UB Advocate under Sir Jivan Prakash, Advocate of Record, Supreme Court. Today I am going to discuss about the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2020. To discuss about this bill, first we have to know what is surrogacy. Surrogacy is an arrangement wherein a surrogate mother bears and delivers a child for a couple or person. In gestational surrogacy, an embryo which is fertilized by in vitro fertilization is implanted into the uterus of the surrogate mother who carries and delivers the baby. In traditional surrogacy, the surrogate mother is impregnated with the sperms of the intended father. Surrogacy may be commercial or altruistic. Altruistic surrogacy does not involve any kind of monetary considerations except medical expenses and insurance. In commercial surrogacy, the surrogate mother who gives birth to a child for the intending couple is rewarded for it in cash or kind. Earlier in India, the only guide for the surrogacy was the National Guideline for Accreditation, Supervision and Regulation of ART Clinics in 2005. In 2008, the Supreme Court allowed the commercial surrogacy in this country. On the basis of the Apex Court's direction, the legislature drafted the Artificial Reproductive Technology Bill, and the bill was subsequently amended in 2008, 2010, 2013, 2014, 2016 and 2019, and then the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2020 came into force. The bill aims to prohibit the commercial surrogacy and allows only altruistic surrogacy and many more things in the favor of the surrogate mother and the child. Before 2020, anybody could have a surrogate child, but the new bill facilitates only the infertile Indian couple who has been childless for 5 years of marriage or widow or divorced women to have a child to complete their family. The intending couple or the intending women should have a certificate of essentiality or eligibility authorized by the appropriate authority. The bill only allows ethical altruistic surrogacy to the intending infertile Indian married couple between the age of 23 to 30 for female and 26 to 55 years of male. The intending couple should not have any surviving biological child through adoption or through surrogacy. An exception is made if the intending couple has a surviving child who is mentally or physically challenged or is suffering from a fatal illness with no permanent cure. The bill talks about the right of surrogate mother. A close relative of the intending couple or the intending woman can be a surrogate mother. She should be a married woman with a child of her own aged 25 to 35. She can be a surrogate mother only once in her lifetime. She should be certified as medically and physically fit. The surrogacy bill bans homosexual couples, people in live-in relationships and single individuals from renting the womb. According to the bill, if an individual is found advertising or undertaking surrogacy, exploiting the surrogate mother, selling, importing, purchasing or trading human embryos or gametes for surrogacy, conducting sex selection for surrogacy, or has abandoned, exploited or disowned a surrogate child, he or she can be imprisoned for up to 10 years and fined up to rupees 10 lakh.